setup.
This is my setup. This is my setup. This is my setup. This is my setup. This is my setup. This is also my setup.
This is my setup. This is my setup.
Alright, enough joking around. I'm gonna show y'all my setup now. So, in the time that I've had just sitting around the house, not really getting to do a whole lot, I've kind of been piddling, and I know that my footage when I'm on the stand-up ski has not been the greatest. So I've kind of come up with a helmet setup that I think is going to give some really good footage. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, y'all will have seen some of the footage and everything, and hopefully the wind noise, all that kind of distortion, everything, and maybe my voice, if you want to hear me talking on there, will come through clear. Maybe I've got some clips and I can throw in here with this helmet, but this is pretty much the setup that I've got right now. It is a BMX helmet. It's pretty basic, pretty simple, super lightweight, but this is where the GoPro is going to be mounted. I have originally had it up here, and this is where, you know, kind of the terrible footage was at. It was getting a lot of wind noise and everything, and I know on my dual sports and motorcycles the placement of it has made a huge difference. So I got this spot right here. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to get it turned over, you can see a little bit better, but this is the little setup that I went with, and it seems to have probably the best angle for the GoPro when it's on my head, which has kind of been the issue. When it's over here, I can't really tell if the GoPro is on or blinking, you know, or any of that kind of stuff. Where this one, I can see everything from inside the helmet, if it's videoing or if the battery's going dead, all that kind of fun stuff. So hopefully this will be able to give me a lot better, you know, footage for y'all, and then if I want to do some longer rides and stuff like that, it will definitely make a big difference. But I think it's going to work real good. Hopefully it's going to be better than what I had originally, because the original footage inside this helmet, which, like I said, I couldn't tell when it was over here, the angle and all that, so I had it angled down way too much. And pretty much ever since that last ride where I got a lot of footage from, which is where majority of my clips come from, is that 1 or 2 days, and I didn't ever look back at the footage to see what it looked like. So like I said, hopefully this will work out. I'll throw some clips in here and let y'all know what I think of it.